Hey YouTube, Chuck's back. I was going to pull apart one of these old toothbrushes to see if I can get into it. So here goes nothing. No, one's not going to move. No, that stuffed it up, so we won't be using that one. But that one might come in handy for another project. Hopefully. We'll try this one. I'm going to do it a bit lighter. Okay. This one's coming loose. Okay, so we've got it open. Don't go all the way. Let's see. Okay. It's a bit yuck. This isn't my toothbrush. One I picked up to have a look if I could pull them apart. So let's just do it lightly because I've cracked it a little bit. And it's pretty much going to be 40 degrees here tomorrow. I don't know whether you can see that. It won't get underneath it. I don't know what I've done wrong here. There we go. Popped it off. Don't have to go too far. Okay, so now I've pulled it out. There's a magnetic coil at the bottom that charges the device. Have a look inside. There's a spring at the bottom that has to go back in afterwards. There's the button at the front. You have to desolder that pin, and probably the bottom pins will have to be desoldered to get to the battery. I've got that tomorrow. There's a locking device. Anyway, we'll have a go at that. I'm getting out of here because I'm getting too many mosquitoes. I'd like to say to all my viewers, hope everyone's okay. Been watching what's been happening in China. It's very sad. Sad thing that people are losing their lives from a virus. It's sad, you know, us in Australia, you know, we lost a heap of people in the fires, but nowhere near as much as the guys in China at the moment. The reason this one didn't open, I'd say, is because this is a totally different design, but look what it can do. What could I use this for? Well, you're going to find out. Anyway, that's it for this video. Oh, no, it's not the end. I'll add some more to it. Hey guys, I'm still working on it. Now, to get this apart, to get the battery out, you need to desolder four connectors. Use a bit of ribbon, wire to get rid of it, or a solder sucker like this one. But you'll need a bit of solder on the end. You need to tin the end of the solder so it'll pick up the thermal temperature on the actual solder joint. Make sure you've got that out and just go. Oh. Okay, whole thing decided to break on me. Having one of those days. Nothing goes right day. Talking about things that don't go right, we'll try and get this sorted really quick. Okay, so that one's cleaned up a bit. The less you have to worry about, the better. I'd try and leave those two wires connected to this coil here. That's what charges your device, acting as a transformer. So the other one's your primary, this is your secondary part of the transformer. Try not doing what I'm done. Yeah, I haven't used this for a while, so these are the better ones, but for some reason she's not playing the game. Try and get one more way out of it. Hope you like the music in the background. Just put it on for doing this. Don't forget, you still need to make that thermal connection to the actual ribbon, copper ribbon, so it'll take the rest of it off. And you'll tell because it actually works its way up the ribbon cable. You see the tinning going up the ribbon cable. If you look at mine, it's actually going up the ribbon cable. I don't know whether you can from that angle. I'm hoping it's still taping. God, I'm sounding old, aren't I? Taping, videoing. Another thing you could do is put it inside the vise, which is probably a better idea. I'll just have to adjust for this. Check the camera. That's better. So this second one's actually bent over, so you're going to have to use something to pry that up. Something like a small screwdriver. There. That should do it. This one's broken off. Well, that one's broken off actually, fellas. Anyone else that's watching? Fellas, girls, whatever you are. Yeah. The bottom one's doing the same thing. So it's only a tab, and that tab is connected to the end of the battery. So I think it's these two tabs that really need to come out, the other two maybe not, but I've just taken them off so I can get the battery out. Now I normally check this with a pair of tweezers so there's not too much pressure on it. Check that they're loose. That's loose. That one's loose. This one's loose. Well, let's see if we can get this up without causing any grief. There you go. So that's loose there too, and the battery's sitting in behind it. It's a matter of getting it apart now. So use your tweezers to clip the bottom end to let it out, and that just comes away like that. So that's it, just pull that battery out. Go looking for one of these batteries. What is it? What type of battery is it? Nickel metal hydride AA. So just replace it with another nickel metal hydride battery and you're away. Just pop that back on and solder it back in. It's a little bit bent, but yeah, it'll go back on. So these two are for your motor, positive and negative on the motor. The other ones are for your battery. So once you finish, pop your new battery in, positive up the top. I think it's positive to the top. Let's double check this. I might have it in back to front actually. Although, no, actually it is positive to the top. And that'll go in. You have to clip that back in. Put the plastic back in. And then you're going to have to align all this up using a pair of tweezers to get that back in the right spot. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Probably better than using that is something longer to get in there. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah. Yeah, that one's in. We'll never be alone. Savannah. The other two will be in a minute. Savannah. Let's all take a ride. Deal. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah. And all you have to do is solder those two spots there, that, and tab that back over the top there and tab that in. All done. Anyway, that's it from this one. If you like this, please subscribe and like, and ring that bell if you want to watch it again.